Welcome back to the AI-MCP Agent Use Case Library. I'm George Snyder, one of the developers of the platform. Not every agent waits for someone to type a question. Some run quietly on a schedule in the middle of the night with no one watching. Today we'll build one of those, a finance agent that reconciles a vendor statement against the books automatically at month-end close. Here's the idea. When the finance system closes the books each night, it starts this agent on its own and tells it which vendor and period to reconcile. The agent pulls the vendor's statement and the general ledger entries, matches them line by line, and flags any variance over $500 for the controller. No spreadsheet, no late night, no one at a keyboard. It simply runs. Let's look at how it's built in the AI-MCP Agent Designer. The workflow reads left to right with one special starting point. Instead of a chat box, it begins with a webhook, a trigger that lets an outside system, here the nightly finance job, start the agent automatically. From there, it connects to a language model and to an accounting tool server, follows its reconciliation instructions, and produces its report. Everything the agent needs wired onto one canvas without a line of code. Let's open that trigger. Think of it as a private, secure doorway that only your own systems are allowed to use, so nothing else can set the agent off. You tell it how to read the incoming information, here, which vendor to reconcile, and whether it should reply right away or work in the background. In short, a locked door with a single key wired straight to the agent. But a reconciliation agent has to do more than talk. It has to reach into the real books. That's what this tool connection is for. Over MCP, the open standard for giving an agent real capabilities, it's connected to the accounting system, and you can see the tools it's allowed to use. Get statement to pull the vendor's line items, and get general ledger entries to pull the matching records from the books. This is how the agent works with actual numbers, not guesses. Now let's watch it happen. At month-end close, the finance system automatically sends the agent the vendor and the period, Globex Supplies January, with no form and no staff member involved. The moment it arrives, the run appears here in Agent Sessions. Open it up and you can see the agent's real work. It pulled the statement and the ledger, matched them line by line, and flagged the variances over $500 in a tidy summary for the controller. Every run is recorded along with its tiny cost, so the close is always traceable. And that's an agent that runs entirely on its own. No chat, no one at the keyboard, started automatically by another system, reaching into the real books with live tools and flagging exactly what a human needs to look at, all designed on one canvas without writing a line of code. Thanks for watching. I'm George Snyder, and I'll see you at the next AI-MCP use case deep dive.